remove the battery cover, then unlock the back cap. Remove the battery cover, then open LCD connector by using opener tool. Now disconnect the LCD connector. Now gently push between touchpad and rear cover. By gently pressing with S36. Be careful at the time. Now gently disassemble the LCD touch panel from PBA. There is a 2 screw which is fitted with menu button. Now remove both screw and gently disassemble the sub button. You can use tweezer to disassemble the sub button. There is another 2 screw which is fitted with circuit board. First, now disassemble the PBA by press back side.
Thank you for watching. You can get
You
more
can see
videos by visiting www.infohadred.com.